friends, welcome back to Tech Solutions. I have decided to make a video on joining the data in Tableau, and for that I am just starting my first simple video which will explain us the data model in Tableau. As we all know, Tableau has introduced the relationships in Tableau 2022 version. So previously we used to have joins to join the different tables together. Now if we see and try to connect two different tables, let's take an example. I have one table here and I'm trying to bring in another table to the right hand side. It shows us these noodles and it's connecting both tables with this noodle connection, whereas previously it was showing us the Venn diagram. So these are the relationships. So where are my joins gone? Where can I find them? Those are still present in Tableau? If yes, where I can find them? And this structure become little complex after introducing these relationships. So this video we are focusing on the data model, which will explain us what is logical model and physical model, and what are the tables or what are the things we can use in logical layer and physical layer. To understand this, I am referring one data model diagram shared by Tableau. It shows a logical layer and below that there is a physical layer. So for example, logical table A is made up of four tables. So each logical table has minimum one physical table. Each logical table is made up of minimum one physical table in its physical layer. So in a physical layer, joins comes into the picture, and in logical layer the relationships comes into the picture. So whenever you are setting up relationships, you are working on a logical layer, and whenever you want to set up the whenever you want to set up the joins, you have to work in a physical layer. So let's see this in a Tableau. So here I'm connecting to one Microsoft Excel which has three different tables. We'll try to bring them onto our logical layer. So the Excel name is logical physical layer. It has table A, table B and table C. So let's drag table A, and now let's try to drag table B. As soon as we are trying to bring another table, it's automatically showing us the noodles, and noodles are representing relationships, and it tells us that we are working on a logical layer. So let's see. Now, as I told, each logical table is made up of minimum one physical table. So if you double click here, now here we are in a physical layer, and physical layer has a table A. Here table A is the only table which constitutes the logical table A, but we can bring in table B. As soon as we bring in the table B, it shows us the Venn diagram. That means it's showing us the joins. Table A join with table B, and both table constitutes the final table A at the top. But let's not confuse here in this video. Here we are trying to understand only the logical layer and physical layer of the model. We will see in details what are the joins, what are the relationships, what's the difference between them in the upcoming videos. So for now we are in physical layer, and this physical layer has minimum one table for each logical layer. each logical table actually. So here in this case our table A in physical layer constitutes, you have to close from here, constitutes one logical table. So this is the difference between logical layer and physical layer in Tableau. And this change of introducing relationships is done in Tableau 2020.2. So now we should not confuse that where can I find my joins and where can I find my relationships. So we will continue these discussions in upcoming videos with more detailed information on what is relationship, what is joins, what is blend, what is union, what is the difference between all these in upcoming videos. That's it from this video, friends. Please subscribe our channel and keep learning.